Oh man, coming off the porch. Just got home. Look at those grapes. So fun. Can't believe there was ever a time where I didn't want to, that I wasn't doing this. Why wouldn't you grow grapes? Freaking birds are getting them though. Gotta put bird netting up. Why wouldn't you put grapes to trellis up your house in front of your windows and your brick and keep it cool during the summer? Anyway, check this out. 12-foot long 4x4s. I was going to take a picture of it before, and then some 2x4s that were shorter. And if I would have acted quicker, I could have got 2x6s that were 12 feet long. He's so dang epic. So, do you have a guess on what I'm going to do with those 4x4s that are 12 feet long? Do you like my little truck 1991 Toyota pickup?